active shooter at 8167 South Perimeter Road. We're taking this as an opportunity to train with the fire department. We work with them all the time, but this is the biggest scale training that we've done with them.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Where we're actually having officers go through a potential scenario. A lot of scenarios are very stressful. They don't happen that often, but we want officers to be ready when they do. And now we also have the opportunity to work with the fire department during these high casualty events. So what we're working to do is how can we get the police or the fire department here as soon as possible? How can we get them safely to the people who are hurt, and the people who are hurt get them helped and get them out while still working on making the whole scene safe.
The fire department doesn't have the same level of protection, nor do we have anything like firearms or tasers to protect ourselves either. And so it really is incumbent on the fire department's safety that PD gets there first and secures the scene, make sure it's safe before we enter.
One of the things that we've learned throughout these last couple of days is whether we're talking to them on the radio or talking to them in person, if we get out of using jargon and just use plain speech with each other, everybody is on the same page and things go a lot smoother.
Fire! I need at least 2 with me!
Being able to talk directly to a police officer who is inside a building or at a scene of violence and get critical information on how to get to the scene, how many patients there potentially are, and how safe the scene is, that's what we've been practicing this week. We huddle at the end to give both sides, both police and fire, an opportunity to kind of just give their thoughts, any big takeaways, things that fire could do better to help the police officers and vice versa.
This allows us to deal with a high stressful situation, work through it, figure out when we need to contact fire, practice talking with fire and having them come and us working together to solve the issue as effectively as we can and try to save the most amount of people.